They don't make them like they used to. Back then, American engines were built to last, powerful, legendary, and almost indestructible. Today, we're diving into 8 of these timeless machines that defy obsolescence. Number 8 is an engine that's as unique as its name, the Chrysler Slant 6. This unconventional engine with its tilted cylinder block was a mainstay in Chrysler, Dodge, and Plymouth vehicles from the 1960s to the 1980s. But why the slant? This unconventional design offered several key advantages. First, it allowed for a lower hood line, which improved the vehicle's aerodynamics and enhanced driver visibility. A lower center of gravity was another benefit, leading to improved handling and stability, especially beneficial in larger vehicles prone to body roll. But the Slant 6's real magic lay in its incredible durability. Its simplicity was key. With fewer moving parts than a traditional inline 6, there was less to go wrong. The straightforward design made it incredibly easy to maintain and repair, a boon for both backyard mechanics and professional technicians. The Slant 6's robust construction further contributed to its longevity. Its cast iron block and internal components, like the crankshaft and connecting rods, were built to withstand years of use and abuse. Not only that, the engine's design inherently favored lower RPM operation, reducing wear and tear compared to high-revving engines. This meant less stress on components like piston rings and bearings, contributing to its legendary lifespan. If you liked the video or learned something new, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Next up at number 7 is another workhorse of an engine, the Ford 300 cubic inch straight 6. This engine earned its stripes powering Ford trucks, vans, and even industrial equipment for decades, becoming synonymous with dependability and longevity. But what made the Ford 300 engine so incredibly tough? Its simple design and heavy-duty parts were perfect for the demanding tasks it was often given. The 300's cast iron block provided just that, a rigid structure to handle the stress. To cope with the engine's immense twisting force, Ford used a super strong forged steel crankshaft. Even the internal parts, like the connecting rods and pistons, were built to withstand constant pounding and pressure. What else made the Ford 300 so legendary? It was also surprisingly efficient. The long-stroke design and relatively low RPM operation helped it achieve respectable fuel economy for an engine of its size. This combination of power, durability, and efficiency made it a favorite for commercial vehicles, including the iconic brown UPS delivery trucks. The Ford 300 became legendary for racking up astronomical mileage in these delivery trucks. Stories abound of these engines reaching over 500,000 miles, with some even surpassing the million-mile mark. Coming in at number 6 is a true American workhorse, the Chrysler 318 cubic inch V8. This adaptable engine found its way into a wide range of Chrysler, Dodge, and Plymouth vehicles, from powerful muscle cars to hard-working trucks and even boats. What made it so popular? Well, it all boiled down to its simple yet robust design. The classic pushrod V8 with its cast iron block was built to last. Inside, durable components like forged steel crankshafts and heavy-duty connecting rods ensured it could handle the stresses of daily driving and demanding tasks. Its simplicity also made it incredibly reliable and easy to maintain, which explains its widespread use across various applications. But the 318's adaptability truly set it apart. It could be configured with different carburetors and intake manifolds to suit various needs. Whether you needed fuel efficiency for daily commuting or raw power for the drag strip, the 318 could be tailored to deliver. This versatility made it a favorite among everyday drivers and performance enthusiasts alike. Sliding into the number 5 spot, we have another iconic American V8, the Chevrolet 350 small block. This engine is practically a legend in the automotive world, known for its power, versatility, and surprising durability. One reason for the 350's enduring popularity is its simple design. As a classic pushrod V8, its construction is relatively straightforward, making it easy to understand, maintain, and modify. This simplicity also contributes to its reliability, as there are fewer parts to break down or malfunction. But don't let its simple design fool you. The 350 is not slow when it comes to performance. It can be tuned and modified to produce impressive horsepower and torque figures, making it a favorite among hot rodders and performance enthusiasts. From mild upgrades like performance carburetors and intake manifolds to more extensive modifications like stroker kits and cylinder head porting, the 350 responds well to enhancements, making it a popular choice for those seeking more power. You'd think a powerful engine like the Chevy 350 would need constant pampering, right? Wrong. This thing is practically indestructible. Neglected oil changes, missed tune-ups, the 350 shrugs it all off. Countless stories exist of them reaching 300,000 miles or more, proving their ability to withstand years of use and abuse. It's the engine that refuses to quit. Now for something a little different. At number 4, we're showcasing an engine that often gets overlooked in discussions of durability, but trust us, it deserves its spot on this list. The Buick 3800 V6. This engine, produced for over 3 decades, was a workhorse in various Buick, Oldsmobile, and even some Pontiac models. What made the 3800 so special? For starters, it was incredibly smooth. Unlike many V6 engines that can be a bit rough around the edges, the 3800 was known for its refined operation and quiet appearance. This smoothness was partly due to its balance shaft, which helped cancel out vibrations, delivering a silky smooth driving experience. Refinement was just the beginning of the 3800. It was also incredibly durable. Its cast iron block and robust internal components could withstand years of use. Its relatively simple design, especially in its earlier iterations, made it easy to maintain and repair. This engine was a favorite among Buick owners, who often praised its reliability and longevity. Many reported reaching 200,000 miles or more with minimal issues, and some even surpassed the 300,000-mile mark. This impressive lifespan can be attributed to features like its robust crankshaft, durable piston rings, and efficient oiling system, which ensured all moving parts were properly lubricated. Coming in at number 3 is an engine synonymous with off-road adventure, the Jeep 4.0-liter Straight 6. This rugged and capable engine has powered countless Jeep Wranglers, Cherokees, and Grand Cherokees over some of the toughest terrains imaginable. The 4.0-liter, often affectionately referred to as the 4.0 by Jeep enthusiasts, is a testament to simplicity and durability. Its straightforward inline configuration and pushrod valve train make it incredibly reliable and easy to maintain even in the harshest environments. This simplicity also translates to ease of repair, a crucial factor for off-roaders who might find themselves far from civilization with a wrench in hand. The 3800 had a few more tricks up its sleeve. How does this engine handle the relentless hardships of off-roading? The cast iron block provides a rock-solid base, ready to absorb the twisting forces encountered on uneven trails. Inside, durable components like the forged crankshaft and heavy-duty piston rings shrug off the constant bumps and jolts. And when things heat up, literally, the 4.0-liter's efficient cooling system keeps it cool, even when crawling through scorching deserts. Shifting gears from rugged off-roaders, we arrive at number 2 on our list, the smooth and refined Ford 4.6-liter V8. This engine, often referred to as the modular V8, was a mainstay in various Ford cars and trucks, including the Mustang and the F-150. The 4.6-liter V8 embraced a more modern design with single overhead camshafts in each cylinder head. This allowed for more precise valve control, optimizing airflow into and out of the combustion chambers, which translated to improved efficiency and power delivery. This design also contributed to the engine's smooth operation, making it a popular choice for luxury cars and trucks where refined performance was paramount. Even though it was known for its smoothness, it was also very good at being durable. Its modular design, which allowed for easy customization and adaptation to different applications, also contributed to its longevity. This modularity meant that components like intake manifolds, cylinder heads, and even engine blocks could be easily swapped or modified to suit different needs. The 4.6-liter's robust construction, often featuring a cast iron block in many versions, ensured it can handle the demands of daily driving and towing heavy loads. And finally, taking the top spot on our list of durable American engines is a relative newcomer compared to the other veterans, the GM LS Series V8. This modern marvel of engineering has taken the automotive world by storm, powering a wide range of GM vehicles from trucks and SUVs to high-performance sports cars. The LS series, first introduced in 1997 with the LS1, represents a significant leap forward in V8 technology. Its lightweight aluminum block reduces overall vehicle weight, contributing to improved performance and fuel efficiency. The advanced cylinder head design, with its efficient combustion chambers and high-flowing intake and exhaust ports, optimizes airflow for increased power and torque. The LS series construction ensures it can handle the demands of daily driving and rough track use, proving that this engine isn't just about raw power. It's built for long-term performance. Its robust construction, including a strong rotating assembly with a forged steel crankshaft and durable connecting rods, ensures it can handle the demands of daily driving, towing heavy trailers, and even spirited track use. The LS series also features a durable valve train with roller lifters, reducing friction and wear, contributing to its longevity. One of the reasons for the LS series' enduring popularity is its adaptability. It's been used in a wide variety of applications, from work trucks to sports cars, demonstrating its versatility and ability to handle different demands. Its modular design makes it easy to modify and upgrade, further enhancing its performance and longevity. This ease of modification has made it a favorite among engine builders and tuners, who can extract incredible power from these engines with relatively simple modifications. There you have it, a celebration of American engineering at its finest. These 8 engines represent the pinnacle of durability, proving that with smart design, tough materials, and a little TLC, an engine can truly stand the test of time. So that's all for today. If you learned something new or liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.